Earth's most iconic predators reign supreme. They live on harsh landscapes. The apex predators are one of the biggest and strongest mammals across every continent according to nature's hostileness. These hunters adapt and become the masters of these keen hunting grounds. With time, they evolved, become faster, stronger, meaner and deadlier. They improve their survival skills not only to hunt or thrive, but to rule. And nature makes them the relentless killing machine. There's nearly 40 species of felines in this planet Earth. But the rulers are the big cats. Big felines with a combination of real survival skills. The lion, king of the beasts, with sheer power and beauty. The tiger, solitary but with furious fighting skills. The leopard, with an athletic ability to hunt and survive. The cheetah, speed king of the African savanna. The jaguar, a skull-piercing brute force with an amphibian assault. The snow leopard, with the ability to rule the mountains. And the cougar, smaller but agile. With time, these big cats are evolved and become the top predators of their own kingdom. The African big cats are masters of stealth and ambush like the leopard, and fast like the cheetah. A perfect combination of beauty and beast. But no one can match with the king, the Lion King. His majesty and brutality makes him the king of the beasts and the ruler of this savanna. Lions are inborn fighters. Their fighting instinct always sparks the fire of battle, even from the childhood. The roar of this big cat kindles fear in the heart of other predators. And the phrase in this African savanna